everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the resume formatting agent in Recruit CRM. This feature uses AI to automatically generate clean, professional, and client-ready resumes. This feature is available on business and enterprise plans. To set it up, go to Admin Settings and click on Resume Formatting Settings. Once opened, you'll see the Resume Formatting Agent panel on the right side. First, select where the generated resume should be saved. This must be a custom file type field. You can choose an existing field or create a new one directly from here. Next, you can include up to 10 custom fields in the generated resume. Keep in mind that file and entity type fields are not supported, and long text fields support content up to 1,000 characters. Recruit CRM also provides a few built-in presets to help you get started quickly. The available presets include Forest Minimal, a clean, modern, and easy-to-read template that works well for general hiring. Next is Executive Prestige, which is ideal for executive and leadership roles, offering a polished and sophisticated layout. Finally, we have Bold Editorial. This is a visually bold and contemporary option that suits senior or creative positions. You can use these presets as they are or customize them further with your own instructions. When you select a preset, the instruction field is automatically populated with formatting instructions. From here, you can adjust colors, fonts, branding, profile picture placement, custom fields, and more. A few recommended best practices include defining exact colors with hex codes, clearly specifying the section order, explaining how missing fields should be handled, and providing detailed formatting instructions. You can also create a completely custom setup from scratch by clicking on Custom and adding your own detailed instructions, including branding, layouts, and how candidate information should appear. The system uses these instructions each time resumes are generated. You can also choose to include your company logo. We will fetch the company logo from the job page settings. You can also redact information, such as phone, email, and LinkedIn. Once all instructions are configured, click on Preview to preview your preset. When everything looks right, click on Save Instructions. Your save configuration will then be applied globally whenever resumes are generated. To format generated resumes, navigate to the Candidates page. You can generate resumes directly from the list page by clicking on the resume and selecting Generate Resume with Agent. You can also open a specific candidate profile and click on Generate Resume with Agent from the top right section. If it isn't visible right away, click on the three dots menu, and it will appear in the options below. If a formatted resume already exists in the selected field, you'll have the option to replace it. Once replaced, the older formatted resume is automatically moved to the File section to help prevent any data loss. Click on Continue to generate the formatted resume. Please note that AI-generated output may occasionally vary, so it's always recommended to preview generated resumes before finalizing them and refine the instructions whenever needed. Here, you can see that the AI-formatted resume has been generated and saved to the selected custom file type field and the File section. One important thing to remember is that resume generation currently works for one candidate at a time, so this action cannot be performed in bulk. The latest saved instructions in the resume formatting settings apply globally, and all generated resumes are structured PDFs. And that's how you can use the resume formatting agent in Recruit CRM. This feature is designed to help you create consistent, polished, and professional resumes with minimal effort. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.